Wolf stock analysis and WOLF stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this one minute video till the end, find out. I myself personally, for context, have done well over 42,000 videos over 5 years. I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And once you like look at the chart zoomed out here, you might think this is so freaking complex. What the hell is this? Just you see 4 links which are previous receipts, me calling it out beforehand all throughout, right? Like you see, I started being bearish when it was 10 bucks right here. It's 6 months back. That's crazy. And since then, I just took it lower and lower and lower. I mean, needless to say, for me, like I mentioned, if there is a double break, I'm willing to double down. I got the first break, second break hasn't happened yet. So that's what I'm waiting for. And guess what? If it doesn't happen, then sure, so be it. You know, the last thing that I'll do is randomly sell. So I do have previous receipts here with Wolf. And if you do with 32 results, and if you do want to learn how I'm making 10K per month trading, then yeah, sure, just click the first link in the description and get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.